I'll be waiting here. Open the
No,
truck.
don't touch my car.
Open the truck and do your job.
Don't talk to me. Be respectful.
Good, I'm respecting you.
You need to be respectful.
Good, you're on social media.
I have 5 stars in my record.
5 star, my God. I'm gonna put 0 star on
Do
you.
whatever you
Do
want.
your job.
Oh,
Go
you.
to your social media. You're a nice lady. Oh my God.
When you
No talking.
Shut up.
Baby.
Shut up.
Oh, nasty.
Stupid.
Oh my God, look at this delivery.
You never went to the college.
Go.
You never went to the college. Your father never gave you good education.
No, brother.
I assume your neighbors hate you.
Do your job. You will be published in Target.
This is my job.
5 star, huh?
Do whatever you want.
Do what you have to do.
Do whatever you want.
Go ahead, lady.
I'm sure you have the less
Don't talk.
stars at the customer. Shut
Don't
up,
talk.
you.
Deliver.
Close your mouth, you.
Be quiet.
Quiet,
Deliver the
you.
job.
Quiet, you. You quiet. I'm not your employee. You quiet.
Good. I'm your customer. Keep quiet.
Fuck you. You are not my employee.
Very good. You cursing also. I like that.
Respectful.
Thank you.
Animal.
5 stars. Okay, I'm an animal. 5 stars. Goodbye, Target.
Fuck you.
5 words in you. Watch for that lady. She's on draw. Look at that. No daylight.